quick video. Carrier. It's sturdy. 2012. 3-ton. It was just running. It should be on any second. That was a nice startup sound. No, that actually sounded nice. Yeah, it surprisingly has a Copeland scroll compressor. It's straight cool.
What?
Dude, can you not interrupt me? If you don't, if you want to ask, then learn, okay?
What?
If you want to ask, then learn about it. Jeez.
If I want to ask, then worry about it?
No, if you want to ask me about it, then learn.
Okay. What are you saying, though?
I'm saying it has a. I'm saying it has a Copeland.
A coconut?
No. A Copeland scroll. It's a scroll.
It's amazing how you know so much about these things.
Yeah, I don't know what this replaced, but I remember there was a 12-series Goodman unit. Right here. It should be on any second. I don't know. I want it to be. I want to catch it starting up. It's very dirty. You should probably get it. It's filthy.
Okay, I'll leave you out here until it turns on, okay?
You can't touch the thermostat?
No.
Fine.
Don't let me.
Alright. Well, can you ask the woman?
Huh?
Can you ask the woman at least? Do that for me. Sorry guys, that was my sister. She wanted to watch me. She has an LG in her room, but I can't go up to it. This is a 2012 Carrier 5-ton. And I remember what this replaced. This replaced the 12-series Goodman unit. It's nicely installed. There it goes. It's rattling. That fan is like so smooth. That's already ice cold. Oh, it looks like it's frosting up or something. It's got pure on. Alright, that's a nice starter sound. 2012. Oh, that's a 3-ton. 16. Alright, so here's the LG piece of crap. This is a.
It's on inside.
How?
No, that one's not mine.
Oh. But this is an LG? Oh yeah, it is. I think this is an LG. Sorry. Oh no, it's an Arctic King. Sorry guys, baby sleeping. It's got that GMCC compressor. A lot of hot air. Alright. So that was 2 startups at the same video. That was pretty cool. Alright, thank you for watching. This is for the other room. It's an LG. Carrier is running. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.